Simulan na natin, kantahan.
Okay, mamalan.
We've got weekly finalist number 1 from Marikina City, 11 years old, Aiko Takagi.
Muulan, ha?
When I think of home, I think of a place where there's love overflowing. I wish I was home, I wish I was back there with the things I've been knowing. When God makes that song, trees bend, exuding. Suddenly, the snowflakes that fall have a meaning, sprinkling the sea, makes it all clear. There's a chance to go back now that I have some direction. It should be nice to be back home where there's love and affection. Living here in this brand new world might be a fantasy, but it taught me to love. So it's real to me, and I've learned that we must look inside our hearts to find a world full of love. Life goes like
Haba ng hininga. Thank you, Aiko.
Aiko.
Swimmer yan, eh.
Oo. Parang,
Sumisisi dyan na walang oxygen.
parang ano ba? Tapos ay music, siya dire-diretso pa, no?
Tama.
Si Aiko siguro ano to? Haponesa. Aiko,
Malamang.
Haponesa ka ba? Half Japanese,
Yo.
half Filipina.
Icon.
Oo.
Ganda.
Eto,
Okay.
ano, ganda ba? Oh, generous yan eh.
Ito na. Weekly finalist number 2 from Santo Tomas, Batangas, 9 years old, Liza Larida.
Iyon.
Ayun.
don't own me. I'm not just one of your many toys. You don't own me. Don't say I can go with other boys. And don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to say. And please, when I got with you, don't put me on display, 'cause you don't own me. Don't try to change me. You don't own me. Don't tie me down. I will never stay. And don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to say. And please, when I got with you, don't put me on display. And don't tell you what to say. I don't tell you what to do. So just let me be myself. That's all I ask of you.
Yan ba, bata ba talaga yan?
Bata!
Matanda na sa bandang katawan.
Baka niloloko nyo kami, mukhang bata lang, ha?
Thank you,
Ilan taon na
Liza.
ba si Liza uli?
Lisa pala.
Ilan taon ka na uli?
9.
Nine.
9 years old, oh!
Parang 29 na kumanta.
9 lang!
Ba't ganyan yung mga bata ngayon dyan, no?
Ay, iba sila.
Iba na.
Bakit tayo nung bata ba tayo? Ikaw nung bata ka?
Ay, naku, wala. Ang kanta ko lang, abakada lang. Kasi nga bata, hindi pwedeng kumanta ng pamatanda.
Oo, magagalit ang parents. No?
Tama!
Ito na, weekly finalist number 3.
Mula naman sa Camarin, Caloocan City, 11 years old, Diana Rose Moniz.
Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in the storm we'll find some light. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Please don't let this feeling end. It might not come again, and I want to remember how it feels to touch you, how I feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love.
Thank you, Diana Rose.
Tandaan yun? Oo. Tandaan yan.
Mahusay talaga. Ang gagaling ng ating mga Lola's playlist.
Kaya nga, Kuya Pao. Tsaka mamaya malalaman na natin kung sino sa kanilang makakalaban ni Giancarlo Saludis.
Dalawa sa kanila.
Dalawa.
Oh,
Mamaya pa
dalawa
po.
mananalo ba biya?
Sabi naman yan.
Huy!
Ito muna panawagan para sa mga batang 12 years old or below at may galing sa pag-awit ng Lola's Playlist. Pumunta na kayo dito sa Broadway Centrum 3 to 5 p.m. at dalhin ang mga requirements na sa inyong mga screens o mag-send ang inyong audition video together with your contact details sa Lola's Playlist bdc.itbulaga@gmail.com.
Wala kang hilig magsalita, ano?
Oo,
Ayaw mag-host.
ako na may binasa ko lang naman.
Ang bilis eh.
Rapper yan eh.
Rapper ka ba?
Hello?
Parang
Huwag
talo
mo na
sa'yo.
manong bata pa.
Sabi ko na, habay.
Ganda niyan. Kanta niyan yan. Glock 9, di ba?
Alam niyo naman kahit ano